Everyone, welcome to Note Buying Cash Machine. I am Ahmed Hazel, your note buying king, and I just wanted to give you guys just a quick update on something that I heard at a recent real estate meeting that I was at. A gentleman asked a question. He said, what are you going to do? How are you preparing for the upcoming crash in the market that we're going to have in 2016, 2017? And it was a really interesting question, and a lot of people had different answers and viewpoints. And I think one of the main points that the presenter had was he said that I am not really concerned about it because I have prepared myself with my knowledge and with my diversification. So for me as a note buyer, that's really important because my knowledge is extremely precious. My knowledge of the market, my knowledge of what price points to buy in at, my knowledge of location. Where are we buying at a specific time and why it makes sense to buy in those areas. But one thing about notes is that notes can be a very lucrative investment. And notes, if they're bought correctly and they're processed correctly, can yield high returns, higher than what most markets can yield. So because there's such a huge upside and a lot of cushion that's there, our investment is protected pretty solidly. So that's it for the most part. I just want to say that investing in non-performing notes, distressed notes, first lien position notes is what I favor, but junior lien position notes also works well. It's a huge upside, and you'll find that this gives us also the opportunity to help homeowners stay in their homes. We're flexible. We give them great options to repair their track record and their history. So it's just, a great investment, investing in non-performing distressed assets. So when you hear talk about the coming crash in the market and this happening and that happening and fire and brimstone, for us in distressed assets, that's great talk because that means that our prices and what we can buy distressed assets for gets that much cheaper, which means that we have such a huge upside, especially if you can wait the market out. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you some insight into our thinking and how we process and deal with non-performing notes. Take care.